Hi, my name is Carmelia Ray, Chief Matchmaker for Instant Chemistry. Trust forms the foundation for any relationship. We're more likely to have a good relationship and succeed in whatever we do when our relationships are based on trust. When trust breaks down, psychologists know that we're less able to have satisfying, loving relationships. And to build trust, you yourself must be trustworthy. Say what you mean and mean what you say, and gradually be more vulnerable. Respect your partner, give them the benefit of doubt, and be willing to openly express your feelings. Now, genetics and psychology can affect our ability to interpret feelings and become vulnerable. This ultimately affects our ability to develop trust. Instant Chemistry's Relationship Kit identifies if these are areas of concern in your relationship to give couples an advantage in understanding how to create trust in your partnership. Now, if you haven't already checked out our Relationship Kit, you can use the coupon code below and get a 10% discount.